In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a live Google Sheets table on your Wix site. We'll start inside Google Sheets. Open the sheet you want to display. This could be a price list, a schedule, or an inventory. Make sure the information is tidy and arranged the way you want it to appear on your site. Use a clear header row at the top and keep data in clean rows and columns with no extra blank rows or merged cells that could distort the layout once embedded. A little cleanup now will save you troubleshooting later. Next, we'll publish the sheet to the web so it can be embedded. In Google Sheets, go to File, then Share, and choose Publish to the web. In the dialog that opens, select either the specific sheet or a defined range you want to show. Under the Embed option, click Publish and Confirm. This creates an embeddable version of your table. Switch to the Embed tab, copy the embed code, and paste it into a text editor so you have it handy. Quick note on privacy. Publishing to the web makes this content publicly accessible, so avoid including sensitive information in that sheet or range. Now head to your Wix editor and open the page where you want the table to appear. Click Add, choose Elements, search for Embed Code, and drag that element onto your page. Select the element, then choose Custom Embed or Enter Code, depending on your interface. Paste the Google Sheets embed code into the box. You should see a preview appear, but we'll fine-tune the size so it's easy to read. Inside the code you just pasted, look for the height and width attributes, usually near the end of the iframe tag. Change them to readable values that fit your layout. A reliable starting point is height equals 1000 and width equals 600, which gives enough space so rows and columns aren't cramped. Click Update or Apply in Wix to save those changes. Before you publish the page, use Preview to test how the table looks on both desktop and mobile. If it's too wide on phones or too short on larger screens, adjust the width and height numbers and preview again until the table feels balanced. Some designs benefit from a taller height to reduce scrolling, while narrower sites may need a slightly smaller width to prevent unwanted horizontal scroll bars. When you're happy with the fit, click Publish. Your Wix page now shows a live table pulled from Google Sheets, and any edits you make in the sheet will automatically reflect on your site, often within moments. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.